Okay, the first thing you want to do is go here, create a style. We'll name it whatever, we'll name it test. But before we press OK, we're going to press modify. And now we can choose whatever font we want. So me, I'm going to pick Courier Prime. I'm going to leave it at 12. I'm going to click a single. And then, I'm not going to do anything right here. We're going to go to Format, Paragraph. Now here, at Paragraph, we're going to, here, Hanging. And then you can change it as much as you want. It can be 2, it can be 1. For this video, we're going to do 2. And then we can even left indent that is pretty far back. We can do about 1. That's pretty much it. I'm going to show you that it works. We're just going to put name. We can tab, and then this is a piece of text. The text following should be hanging. And that's how you want to do it. It's going to be same thing. I already have it done, but to redo it, we can do this. We can click this little create new style. We'll do test 2. Alright, let's go to test 2. This edit style, sorry. Now, oh, it's already there. Okay, so almost the same thing, except there's no hanging option. You just do 2 or -2. I have this spacing. You don't have to follow that, but this is the most important part. Is the first line right there. Okay, so we're gonna do test name. This is a piece of text. This is a piece of text. This is a piece of text. So that's pretty much it. Nothing much else to do. You can use this for however you want. Sometimes I use this for like numbering when I don't want to number using the actual numbering function, just because it's a little, to me, I find it annoying. So it works the same exact way. You can push it all the way to the first line, and then boom, it's gonna go like that. So, but this is pretty good for comic book writing and just whatever else you want to use it for. So hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.